Hello there, Assalamu alaikum. I'm Mr. Ismail Hossain, a professional freelancer, translator, product description writer, and converter from the relevant languages. I do translate from such type of languages: English, Spanish, Arabic, French, Chinese, Korean, etc. from one language to another. I also convert from MS to PDF and vice versa. I always translate the legal document in the perfect way. My goal is not just to convert from one word to another, but to ensure the accuracy and meaning in the target language. I take pride in the trust my clients place in me. The success stories are my success stories, and the relationship I build are grounded in the reliability, quality, and efficiency. Technology has made the world smaller, and I leverage it to provide swift and effective communication. Your project become my mission, and together we achieve linguistic harmony. Let's translate language together. I'm Mr. Ismail Hossain, your trusted translator, converter, product description writer. Reach out and let's turn your words into a universal language of success. If you are interested to translate your legal document and write your business product description for running your business and convert them properly, please contact me and hire me. Thank you for considering my application. I look forward to the opportunity to work with you. Best regards, Mr. Ismail Hossain from Bangladesh.